Why are we looking for syrup?
Because of a science experiment that requires empty food cans, a syrup bottle, and I can't remember. Sure.
So sometimes we have to keep working even when things are a little chaotic. He'll probably see in a video soon, but we've been working on that, which means all the books are in the floor. We have boxes everywhere. But today we're going to do a science experiment with Rebecca. So what are we looking for?
Sugars.
We're looking to see what has sugar in it. So far we've got syrup and tomato soup and Powerade. And what are you wanting? Oh, you want the tomato sauce?
Yes.
Okay. We can get tomato sauce. And we'll take it to the dining room here in a minute. What about cereal?
Sure.
Pumpkin spice cereal?
Ooh, yum.
Let's see. What about... You want this?
Honey.
Don't drop it.
Honey.
It's a glass jar, don't drop it. What about this?
Yes. Hot cocoa.
What about soy sauce? Do you want soy sauce?
Let's get it. What has sugar and what doesn't have sugar?
Do you want vanilla?
Sure. Let's try vanilla.
Vanilla. And do you want chili powder?
Yes.
Let's do chili powder. And let's take the salt. And let's, ooh, you've got some goldfish up here.
Sure.
Let's do that. You want to read?
I need to get onto my knees to read. What is this?
List of types of sugar. Molasses.
Corn syrup,
Maltose. Sucrose. Fructose.
Corn sweetener syrup,
Dextrose. Glucose. And
lactose.
somebody can't have lactose. So we're going to read the labels and see if these foods contain sugar, okay? So, what do you want to pick first?
How about the orange juice I added?
Okay, see if orange juice has sugar.
Where's the label? Ah.
It's right here. Orange juice and, here, hold this. On the ingredients list, it just says orange juice and orange juice pulp. So does it contain molasses, corn syrup, maltose, sucrose,
Nope.
fructose, corn sweetener, syrup, dextrose, glucose, or lactose?
Nope.
Nope. It does say that it contains sugars, but it says 0% of added sugars. So does this have added sugars in it?
Nope. Let's try the syrup. Wait, syrup is sugar. Let's still try it.
This is butter pecan syrup because we wanted to try it.
It tastes like a birthday.
It does make it taste like a birthday cake. Can you reread these ingredients? Read.
These?
High fructose.
Fructose. Corn syrup.
Is that on your list?
Yes.
Where?
I can't remember.
So, what is pancake syrup made of?
Corn syrup.
Which is a?
Syrup.
Which is a?
Sugar.
Sugar. Alright, let's pick a few more things. Do you think this has sugar in it?
Which kind
Ingredients. What is the first ingredient, Rebecca?
of sugar?
So, does this have sugar in it?
Yes.
Alright.
What's in this one?
Do this one.
Serve size.
Wow, this got wet.
Okay, where? Which one's it?
Water, wheat, soybeans, salt, lactic acid but not lactate, sodium benzoate, and preservatives. So does this have sugar in it?
Nope.
But what does it have a lot of?
Wheat?
Salt.
Salt? How about this?
Did you sort all the foods? Which ones have sugar?
Those.
Wow, so most or less of the food had sugar?
Most.
Most of it had sugar. Where's the not sugar foods?
Right there.
So some of these have natural sugars, but they don't have any added sugars, right?
Right.
So which ones did you pick that you thought would not have sugar actually did have sugar in them? The tomato soup? Yeah, tomato soup.
A lot of them.
Salt.
Sour cream.
The seasoned
one.
salt. Yeah, all dairy products have sugar because
Yeah.
milk has what in it?
I didn't think that would have sugar in it. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Lactose.
This one doesn't have lactose in it, but what did it have added to it?
Sugar.
It had cane sugar added to it.
Have we tried to see if sugar has sugar in it?
You are so silly. What do you tell everybody for watching?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe